In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import library Figma. By the end, you'll know how to grab a library from the Figma community, publish it, so it's usable across your work, and then add it to a specific design file. Start by opening Figma and heading to the community. This is where creators share UI kits, icon sets, and component libraries you can use. In the search bar, type libraries to explore what's available. When you find the one that matches your needs, maybe a design system or a set of components, select it to open its details. Click Open in Figma. This action duplicates the file into your drafts or into a project you choose, so you are working on your own copy rather than the original. Duplicating ensures you can publish updates later without affecting the source file from the community. With the file open, look to the file name dropdown at the top. From there, click Publish Library. Publishing is what turns this file into a true library that other files can reference. Without publishing, the components just live in the file you duplicated. Publishing makes them available to pull into other files. Keep in mind that to publish it as a team library, so it's shared across your team's workspace, you may need a professional plan or hire. That plan requirement only affects team-level sharing. The option is there to ensure proper permissions and management across organizations. Now that the library is published, let's add it to a design file. Open your design file in Figma where you want to use those components. In the left sidebar, switch to the Assets tab. This is where all components and libraries are organized. Click the libraries icon, the small book icon, to open the libraries modal. In the Manage Libraries window, locate the library you just published. You can use the search bar to find it by name or browse through your teams and organizations if you are working in a shared environment. When you see the correct library, click Add to File next to its name. This enables the components, styles, and assets from that library in your current file. After that, close the modal to return to your canvas. From here, your library's components will appear in the Assets panel, ready to drag into your designs, keeping everything consistent and easy to update. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.